This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, refrigerator, slide-out, TV, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is 7,876 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.